Okay, let's review radicals. We're going to simplify, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So when we simplify, we're going to think of two factors of our radicand, in which one is a perfect square. So we're going to have 4 times 6. We're going to take the square root of 4, which is 2, and multiply by it the coefficient -2, and we get -4 radical 6. On this example, we have variables as well as our numbers. So we're going to break down 12 into 4 times 3, and a to the third can be a squared times a, and then b squared is a perfect square. We're going to take the square root of 4, which is 2. We're going to take the square root of a squared, which is a, and we take the square root of b squared, which is b. So we're left with radical 3a. When we add and subtract, just like with fractions or combining like terms, our radicands have to be the same. So we're going to simplify first, and we have 4 times 2. And then with 18, we can do 9 times 2. Take the square root of 4, that gives us 2 radical 2, plus take the square root of 9, that gives us 3 radical 2. We add the coefficients, so we have 5 radical 2. Here we're going to subtract, and so we're going to break down 12 into 4 times 3, break down 27 into 9 times 3. We're left with 2 radical 3 minus 3 radical 3. We subtract 2 minus 3 and get -1, or just negative radical 3. When we multiply and divide, it's similar to multiplying and dividing fractions. So we're going to multiply the coefficients, we're going to multiply the radicands, and then we're going to remember to simplify. Let's break down 12 into 4 times 3. I take the square root of 4, which is 2, times the coefficient 6, that gives us 12 radical 3. We're going to divide these two radical expressions. We can divide the coefficients and get 3. We can divide the radicands and get radical 8. We're going to simplify 8 into 4 times 2. We take the square root of 4, which is 2, times the 3, that gives us 6 radical 2.